Alright, so my background is Hazel cardstock. That pink layer is from Hip Kit Club's Make-A-Wish. And of course Theo makes his appearance. This is Christmas 2018. We got Mateo a bike because at that time he was 7. Yeah, he was 7 and did not even know how to ride a bike. And that stitched floral layer, looks like flowers that were stitched, is Make-A-Wish. Well, actually, all these paper layers are from Hip Kit Club's Make-A-Wish. Let's just throw that out there. Sorry, I heard the cat growling because Theo's coming in. He's like a true blue, irritating little brother because Reese can't stand him because he lurks around a corner and then jumps her. He chases her and she gets mad. I'm just trying to figure out where to place my title I'm going to use, which these are some phrase stickers from the same collection, Make-A-Wish. And then I never used numbers, so this is my opportunity to use some numbers. So I'm going to use 2018. Theo likes to play with that stuff. Oh. I'm hoping to get to the store to get me some new headphones in the next day or two. And then I'm going to use some die cuts and some stickers from Make-A-Wish as well. And then Pat makes appearance. I have a small dish of hard food, and I have to keep that on my scrapbook desk. Is large, and so I have to keep the hard food, a small dish of hard food, on that, or otherwise Coco will chow down on it. And she developed colitis, so I have to be careful what she eats. Just like I gave her some moist food and it brought back that, so I don't want to do that again because she had to be skin and bones. But as soon as I saw that the canned food was irritating her, I stopped giving it to her. And then it went away. It cleared up in 2 days max. And so I tried just half a can, and that seems to be better. So I'm going to try to use up some more of these trees near my title. It's a place for it to rest. now I think I gotta clean her ears. I think her ears are bothering her. So I'm satisfied with my die cut, so I'm gonna go ahead and glue those down. And since this is a Christmas present, it's our opportunity to use present die cuts. Oh man, my neck hurts so bad. I got such a tension in my neck. I'm like so stressed to the max right now. Hopefully I'm done renting soon. Hopefully that's over so I can stop stressing about the purchase of a house. But I decided I'm spent in 5 years over $50,000 in rent. So I said, you know what, I could better put that towards a house of my own. So we'll see. My loan's been approved and ready for underwriting. It just has one condition we have to take care of. So yay. Much better. It's a much better house than I'm gonna be super happy. It's a beautiful house. Anyway, so I'm just gonna add some small bits, some stars, and then that completes my layout with some splatters. And that just kind of finishes this off. And that'll complete my layout. When I have more done, I'll be back with those. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye.